Hello, pre-calculus students, and welcome to the lesson on the logistic function. And I want to point out that the logistic function has E in it. So if you don't know what E means, you need to watch one of the previous videos before you could continue with this lesson. And it's written in this format, C over 1 plus AE to the negative KX. Okay? A, C, K are all positive numbers, and C is a special name. It's called the limit to growth. And we'll just see how this works. It's probably best if I just give you an example here. And so we're asked to graph and analyze this. And I just want to note a few things here. This is C, right? C is equal to 1. There's nothing in front of the E here, so we know that A is also equal to 1. So this is a very, very nice function, very basic and simple one for us to work with. So we'll go to our TI-83, 84 graphing calculator here, and we'll graph whoops, let me change the color here. Get something more interesting here than just, okay. So we're gonna get 1 divided by 1 plus E to the negative x. And we'll just use the standard window. This, let's see, it's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to change my window to be between negative 2 and 2 for the y window. And you can see here that it has some distinctive behavior. First, the domain. Let me draw the graph. Let me sketch the graph here first. So the domain is all real numbers. You can substitute anything you want in here for x. You're never going to get 0 on the denominator, so you don't have to worry about that. The range is an interesting thing. The range is only between 0 and infinity. I'm sorry, whoops, 0 and 1, okay? In fact, it's 0 and the limit to growth. The, let's see what else. Oh, yes, the symmetry. In this case, there's none. And there are no vertical asymptotes. And so let's talk about end behavior and horizontal asymptotes. So what is the limit of g of x as x approaches infinity? Well, I'll use my table here to help me. And let's type in some astronomically large number. You can see that as you type in very, very large number, it's going to get closer and closer to 1. I think this is rounding that's occurring here. It's not going to be exactly 1. So this is going to approach 1. Okay. The limit of g of x as x approaches negative infinity, you can see from the graph that it's going to go closer and closer to 0. So there you go, there you have it. Just a very brief and general introduction on logistic functions. Okay, watch the following video here where we're going to talk about how to write a logistic function. And I just want to point out that one of the main features of this is that it starts out small, it grows quickly, and then it sort of levels out. All right, so we'll end this lesson here with this video here, and we'll continue with a lot more problems dealing with logistic functions in the next sets of videos. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.